Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. I've done a video about this a couple months ago, and I thought I'd do another one here. A couple people have been asking me about this, and I thought I'd do another video to see if there's any interest out there. But this is going to be a universal. My plan is to have a universal repeater ID that does not use a Raspberry Pi. It does not use a computer, but it does use MP3 files. Okay, this is a prototype I made. I'm going to play it here in a minute. You'll be able to hear it. But what this is going to be able to do, the plan is you can do repeater ID either every 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and or if you wanted to do any type of announcements, you can set that up to 1.5 hours, which is independent of the repeater ID. Also, this is going to be universal because it's going to have a screw terminals, and you could hook this up to any type of radio or repeater. Like in this example, I have it hooked up to a handheld. Okay, this is also going to have capabilities of direct solar power hookups. You won't need any adapters to run this off of solar power. It will work up to 30 volts. So in this particular case, I have it plugged into a micro USB cable for power, but you can see I do have a 9-volt battery snap. I was been playing with the 9-volt battery, which that makes it portable, which could be used for fox hunting if you used the announcing function of this. You can make a message and adjust it anywhere from 1 minute or probably about 5 minutes up to an hour and a half if you really wanted to. So this could be used for a portable fox hunting also, besides a repeater ID and announcer. Okay, and it being universal, you make your own cable and away you go. Now, my plan is, and I did this other video about 4 months ago, I'm going to hopefully try my best to have this be $50 or under. That's what my plan is. Now, depends on, obviously we have the tariff thing going on, so that's going to, that may change it, but I'm going to try to do it as cheap as possible. And the good news is I have a 3D printer, so I can make an enclosure box for this. So that's even better yet. I think when I made the last video, I don't think I had the printer. I don't think I had the printer when I made the last video. So a lot of good things this will be able to do. Different functions. It's going to be a universal as much as I can. Like I said, it'll have a screw terminal. You wire up your own plug. Could be a repeater. Could be a handheld, like I'm going to demonstrate here. I have a handheld. Obviously, this handheld here is going to be transmitting, and this one's going to be receiving. So, and I'll play the message here, what I have. And it being an MP3 file, we can have quite of a lengthy message if we needed to be. And you can do Morse code, or you can have it be words. And I'm going to show you here. I'm going to take the headset off, and I'm going to put it by the radio so you can actually hear how it sounds.
This repeater ID uses audio MP3 files to play messages you can customize, and it can also do your call sign in Morse code like this. Thank you.
So there you heard it. Sounds really good. You can have it be words, or you can do a Morse code like you just heard. And then what I like about it, it's universal. So you don't have to buy different repeater IDs for different models of repeaters that come out, which is nice. I'm going to try and make it as universal as much as possible. I have a few ideas on that. But at any rate, I'm going to post a link in the description below. Hopefully we get enough people interested in this. Share this video, and let's get this thing to come out there to come to light, so we can go ahead and start making these. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.